Diggity Dog Treats, a business created to help young people gain experience and skills for their resume and for life.
This is a common goods store. This is a place where we sell our dog treats during normal business hours.
The dog treats are available online and in Intercommunity's on-site convenience store, Common Goods.
They are available in 2.6 and 7.5 ounce sizes for $2 and $5 respectively.
Hello, today we are making chicken and cheese slugs. The main ingredients are the chicken and the cheese.
The Diggity Dog Treats team is responsible for making 4 different flavors:
Carob chip cookies and chicken and cheese, vegetarian, and peanut butter slugs, all of which are named for their shape, which dogs love.
All dog treats are made with certified organic ingredients.
We're going to make the dough. We used 4 cups of flour, 2 eggs, and half a cup of water.
Organic whole wheat flour and organic eggs are available at most grocery stores.
We're going to add some of our chicken and cheese mixture, maybe like a 1/4 bowl of this.
Though seemingly dry at first, this dough will eventually turn out to be the perfect consistency.
Now we are done mixing our dough. Juan here is going to take it out of the bowl where we are going to knead it and roll it out into a flat sheet and then cut it into our famous slugs.
Be careful not to roll the dough too thin. Treats made from thin dough may end up overcooked.
These dog treats won't expand much on the baking sheet, so you don't have to worry about them touching like traditional cookies.
Now it's time to put them in the oven, so Juan will do the honors.
Now that the doggy treats are done in the oven, we bring them over to our industrial size dehydrator where they remain in there for about 10 hours. This is so they can lose their moisture and have it taken out so they will last longer and not spoil. Then after 10 hours we bag them.
Similarly to when baking the treats, try not to have too much overlapping in the dehydrator.
When the treats come out of the dehydrator, they're ready to be bagged and sold.
We have 2 sizes that we package our dog treats in. Now that the light's turned off, move this, and that cuts the bag. Perfect seal.
We also sell our dog treats on the internet. If you have any questions or you want to buy any dog treats, you can email us at diggitydogtreats@yahoo.com. Thanks.